Alden Richard update. Yan ay story ni Miss Tracy. Kasama niya si Alden just sa dressing room. Sabi, chill lang muna si Alden Richard. Yan, para sa taping ng Stars on the Floor. Nasarap pa nga nahiga ni Alden. Yan, napaka-busy nga ni Alden. Grabe yun. Saka ito pa nga yung mga billboard ni Alden just sa EDSA. Yan pa nga, 4 bench. Guwapo. Saka 4 specialized. Ito yung interview kay Alden.
Also, you need proper cycling clothes. When I started my cycling journey, I started off with split. Ito yung cycling shoes. Meron kasi rin mga bikes naman na talagang normal pedal lang yung nakalagay and you can ride it using your rubber. Safety comes first. When in doubt, stop at saka don't be too aggressive with the road. And dito mala Tour de France. Unless gusto niya. Tignan natin kung kaya niya. There's something about endurance sports kasi, well for me, most especially cycling, that keeps me sane. Insanity and actually parang unwind and I get to have time for myself. So, when it was brought to the table, beginning of the year, actually January, hindi pa ako parang sold sa idea na kaya ko siyang gawin. I'm always on constant search to do something that I've never done before. May moments ba din na gusto mo na tumigil? Marami. Mahirap sa Martin. Especially pag bumibigay na yung katawan mo, the right people is very essential for you to be able to achieve your goals. Di siya madali. Nagulat lang din ako with my performance during the race actually. Woo! Sub 3! We're very proud na we ranked 9th place sa overall relay team out of the 80 teams that participated. And we ranked 8th with the all-male gender category. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko right after the race. And I even told my coach na gusto ko na ituloy. Sayang yung momentum. So, I'll be doing my first triathlon next year. Full triathlon. Woo! Kamusta ang first experience mo with cycling? Teacher, thank you for joining us. And of course, Alden Richards. Keeping you in the game.
You know, cycling era. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.